Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use flow state in Leonardo AI. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Leonardo.ai and we're all logged in. You'll see here that you have a couple of options. You've got the image creation over here on the left, or you've got the same button here in the middle. If we go ahead and click on that, then you're going to see we have our screen here where we can enter in our prompts, and you have two options here. You've got the classic mode and you've got flow state. And what flow state is going to do is if you put in a prompt, then flow state is going to generate a variety of options for you to look through. And this is really nice because sometimes with image generators you don't always get what you're looking for. So the fact that it's going to give you a variety of options to search through is very, very useful. Here you can modify certain parameters, but we're just going to go ahead and keep things simple for now. And what I've done is I have already over here generated some images to give you an idea of what the results are like. And you can see that what I've done is a dystopian city, sprawling, realistic. And here you can see all of the different options that Leonardo has generated for us to be able to search through. So this is really, really useful. I really enjoy that they have added this. It just is a great way of searching through all of the different options, and they really do give you quite a bit. Now, be aware that as you scroll down, it's going to continue to generate options, and as it does, you're going to see here where it says 43% of daily limit. Well, that's because we continue to generate more options and flow state continues to generate more images for us to look at. So as we're doing that, we are going through our daily limit. So during the launch promotion, free users can generate up to 150 images in flow state. Afterward, each image will cost 1 token to generate. So this is quite nice. We can do up to 150 images in flow state. And after that, it will cost a token to generate. We have our tokens here. So we have 150 to play with if we're on the free tier. So this is really quite generous, and the ability to create a variety of ideas so that we can search through those is here. It's really intuitive, and this gives you an idea of what you can do with flow state. So let's go ahead and just pick one here, and you can see that we have a few options. We can generate motion, but it says coming soon. So here we're limited in that regard for the moment. We can download. So let's go ahead and just do that. We'll download this one because I quite like it. And we could save that to our device. So there you go. This gives you an idea of what flow state is capable of, and it really is quite powerful for generating a variety of images and getting a variety of different styles that you can choose from. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.